Give me sunshine, yeah, yeah.
Yo, welcome to the Insta Tutorials by the Rockets, where every week we teach you a new breaking technique. I am Taufik, and today I'm going to teach you the Invert Halo. If you can't do a Halo yet, go check Rico his tutorial about the normal Halo. Go to his tutorial and then come back to me, and I'm going to teach you the Invert Halo, yeah? Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, because otherwise you're never going to learn this stuff, yeah? Alright, let's go. Invert Halo. What's important with Invert Halo is you need a kind of a good side freeze, yeah? You know, I say air chair, but yeah, side freeze is also good. You know, it's this one, yeah? Solid. So it has to be very solid, this. Yeah? The catch has to be strong. Basics. Freeze basics, all of this. Yeah, you need it. Alright. Second thing is, Invert Halo is not the same as Halo because you use a different momentum. You use this arm. This. Yeah? This is actually Invert Halo. So, what I do, raise your hand. Only. This leg I use mostly to swing back, to use that momentum to do an Invert Halo. Just like this. So, you see the swing? So, first thing you have to do that. So, swing. Yeah? Swing. Yeah? You have this down. Second thing is, use your left arm. You see this motion that I do? Is I go back, place my arm, and then you can go to your head, whatever, yeah? So, use the swing, boom, place your arm, go to your head. Just like that. Second step is actually you go this way, and you land. So, again, I go slowly. Boom, place my hand, turn, catch. So, two arms, yeah? Try to do it with two arms first. So if you do a little bit faster, you can do it like this. And if you have this under control, the two hands, then you're going to go to the next step. And what's really important, small details. Invert Halo is always your chin. You keep it here instead of here. So your neck stays strong, yeah? Don't do it like this, otherwise, if you do like this, you go to head spin. It's also good. If you do a proper Halo, stay like here. Okay? So, next part is you're gonna go to the one hand. You're gonna try with one hand. So, one hand, I go like here, to this spot, then I stop. I don't go all the way here, I just stay here. And then when I'm here, I do this arm, give it like good yank, you know? And then you're gonna see what's happening. Look. See? You yank it and then you twist. But this was a little bit too far. So you do it again, a little less. So, boom. There you go. Yeah? So slowly, boom. Boom. And that's the Invert Halo. So Invert Halo looks like this with one hand. Yeah? So enough talking, you know, time to go to practice. If you want to learn the Invert Halo, practice many times. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, man, see you on the next one again.